Hello everyone, you're on the Mr. Octopus channel. Today you will find out how to get Southwest Companion Pass. Let's go. The easiest way to get a Companion Pass is to accumulate 135,000 points. The easiest way to accumulate points is to use the Rapid Rewards credit card. As soon as you accumulate points, you will be informed that you can get a Companion Pass. Call this number and issue a Companion Pass. Companion Pass member kit and membership card will arrive in 7 to the business days. Now you know how to get Southwest Companion Pass. Thanks for watching, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.